Today I'm going to show you how to do a hand swipe hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be learning a hand swipe hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum, and before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop transformer around. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So a hand swipe is a hand swipe with a hook kick in it. If you don't have your hand swipe, make sure you go back in tutorials and get that. Okay, so when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, kind of looking in front of you. You're going to kind of wind your arms back and start to sit back, bringing your hips a little bit behind your feet. Bring your swing leg through, jump off your foot and try to look for your target, and then throw your hook kick, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now don't forget, you can do this move with a follow through at the end. You can add a spin in the beginning, or you can do a spin and follow through together. Also, I forgot to mention, if you want a quick little pre-req for this move, go ahead and click on this tutorial right here, or right here. I don't know what side it's gonna be on. So yeah, check that out if you want a little bit of help with this move. Also, again, because I suck at remembering things when I'm recording outside, a really big tip, make sure that you are going a little more slanted on this move than you would a normal hand swipe, because it makes it a lot easier for you to actually get the hook kick out if you're going a little bit sideways, okay? So keep that in mind, that should help you out a lot. Let's check that out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are still being patrons for this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Next, we're going to be learning a master scoot round, which is an incredibly weird, awkward move to do. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing up, bro. Dude, really need to stop doing that. Keep tricking, stay motivated. Upraiz.